Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is about me aisa moa vai. There was si ko a koe lunga ole fai sapsui flypea maraka pisi lamb ma moe kau ma me ngai aso ya se fai se calo. Ela vou uma fer calo. Yeah. Que me lone ai, que vai. Se fer com moa sa calo. Yeah. Maar jullie hier tuurlijk kijken. Look. Ja. Of je vier het je zo vai maar ja or nge yaso. No sili mai. Polar me o mi ai. O la kuyasia. Hey. Ne pisire kijken. Cheers, guys. Yeah. My hairdresser said she saw me at the shops loading my car with my shopping, and she said to her husband, look at the state of it here. Look at how old the legs you look. Yeah. Oh man, this is flaky. Oi, yeah. Gave me all the fight. Guys, for you guys non-speaking Samoans, this is chop suey, fried vegetables, and marinated lamb, roasted, and green bananas boiled with a bit of coconut cream. Oh, gosh, I'm sorry. Have a bite. Oh well, never mind. I'll do some of this first. Yeah, tapsui mo okoko. Mga hirap chow. Hey everybody. I haven't had fatty for a while, so it's been gutted. This is lamb ribs, guys, as they like to call it, but to us, it's lamb flaps. Marinated so beautifully. You know where I get this from? You know, a place in Edmonton. Everyone knows it as Steve's picture station. People are starting to text already. No. Pissy. The marble. Cooked. So soft. So tender. So, coffee ai. Yeah. Ngadi dua. If the lamb is roasted nice with nice marination, Bob's your auntie. Yeah. So good, boy. Ngon nhiều biết. So fue de mấy xe mẹ của ấy phong ấy bị của người ngã người ngã. You can tell when the food is nicely cooked, eh? And it tastes good. When it's nicely done and you're eating, you just don't want to talk. You just don't want to talk when food is good. Next. Good guy. I bought all this food. I'm so lucky where I stay because there's 3 places close by that has all this lovely food. I pick up my ngon nha mà boy. Look about to share this with you. Push it through the camera. This is like beef, lamb. I didn't ask. I was just hungry. Man, you know this, it's good to have it, you know, with your food, and the cabbage is like half cooked. Hey. Alright. So my hairdresser colored my hair and trimmed it. Tidied it up, she said. Yeah, I told her. You know, I've been wearing my scarf. She said, well, whose fault is that? You should have come so I can fix your hair. But the hairdresser don't know that my son borrows my car. So, Two down. You know, at the moment, it's like winter here in Australia. So if you don't eat your food fast, it'll get oily on you, especially island food. What? No shout out guys today. The filet pea is very nice. One more lamb flaps roasted. Beautiful marinated. Sure. You can taste that flavour. Yep. Hey. Thank you guys for coming onto my my Facebook page. I have an Instagram page. But I don't go on it much. Yeah. Look, the girl is old school dance, old school. So I still don't know how to use it that good. It's when one of my kids go, Mom, I think you got a message. So I could sit there for, you know, like a week or two. I don't know. So fine. But my Facebook, I'll use that a bit more. My sister was telling me she prefers Instagram. I don't know. You know that thing, Candy Crush? Do you guys still play it? I do. I play it every day without fail. I just love it though. And then when I run out of lives, yeah, I could get falling on the ground. And then it's great. Who can give me more lives? There used to be that trick, that you change that the time and you can get more lives. But do you know that eventually catches up on you? Because I tried it. And it makes you wait ages and ages and ages after. Anyway, yeah, I still play Candy Crush. Even when I was at the hair salon waiting for my my dye time to be over. And my hairdresser said, do you still play Candy Crush? Do you notice, woman? Do you notice? Kaya wakway nga ay. Ababli nga ako. Okay. Has anyone got any birthdays coming up? Or shout your birthday out? And see if I can shout you out in time for your birthday. I don't know. I don't know what I bought the substitute. I wasn't really in the mood for it. I'm more in the mood for damn fat, like happy feeling. Fat But I hope you guys all take care of yourself. What's today? It's Thursday today. Is it Thursday? Wednesday. So where's the office? Excuse me, I gotta check. Oh, Thursday today. Thursday today. I wasn't sure if it was Wednesday. See, when I lapse in time. Okay, guys. So for the matua ia. Fa solo na matua. Wale tu e lua full tasi. Wale was full lua tai out. Anyway, did food just come out of my mouth and I was talking? Anyway, take care, guys. Say, be good. Wait, Lord, be good. Because I will hear it from Santa Claus if you weren't being good. Okay, take care. Kia manuia. Take care. And don't forget, praise the good Lord every day and thank Him for every day of our lives. Wait, Lord. Take care. So far, so far. Signing out. Nanu nanu.